In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a compatible automatic product import plugin into your website platform, whether you are using WooCommerce or Shopify, to streamline your business operations by importing products from Wayfair efficiently. First, let's start with installing the right plugin for your website platform. For this demonstration, we'll assume you have decided on a plugin that fits your needs. Begin by logging into your website's admin panel. For WooCommerce users, navigate to Plugins and select Add New. If you're using Shopify, head over to your Shopify App Store and search for a product import plugin. Once you've found the plugin compatible with your platform, click Install and then activate it. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the seamless import of products, reducing manual tasks and saving you time. Next on the list is connecting the plugin to your Wayfair seller or affiliate account. Start by logging into your Wayfair account to obtain the necessary credentials, such as API keys or authorization tokens, that your plugin might require. Once you have those ready, return to your website's admin settings. Navigate through the plugin settings until you find the section dedicated to account connections and enter your Wayfair credentials. This connection is pivotal, as it allows your website to communicate directly with Wayfair for product information. Moving forward, it's time to select the Wayfair products you want to import automatically. Within the plugin interface, there should be an option to browse or search for products. Take your time here to explore and curate a list that fits your store's theme and your customers' needs. Whether you're aiming to focus on a specific category of furniture or looking for a diverse selection, ensure that the products chosen align well with your business goals. Once you've selected your products, it's important to configure the import settings. Here, you determine aspects such as the frequency of updates and the product categories. Decide how often you want your product information to sync, be it daily, weekly, or monthly, based on how often Wayfair updates its inventory. Also, organize the products into relevant categories on your website, making it easier for your customers to browse. The final step is to activate the plugin to start syncing the Wayfair products to your website automatically. Simply activate it according to the plugin instructions, and with that, your product import system should now be operational. This setup means from now on, whenever Wayfair updates product details like pricing or availability, those changes will reflect on your website without manual intervention. And there you have it. You have successfully set up an automatic product import system from Wayfair to your website. By following these steps, you'll be able to focus more on growing your business rather than worrying about keeping up with product updates. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.